Okay. So I want to talk about today is see this big calendar behind me is freaking huge. It actually goes way up the wall and over this way. So it's a whole year calendar. It comes in two pieces. So if I want to do 6 months, 6 months, and it's a dry erase, I can draw on it. So let's see. Yeah, let's see. It's all the way up there. You can do all of that. Let's see. So I absolutely love it. This is the one that I had from them before. As you can see, I put a lot of stuff on there. It was in front of my desk. I just moved my desk around, so I got all these sticky notes of things I want. And then it also has a backside that I absolutely loved. And this was just for 2019, which was really cool. So this year, they don't have the same product from BestSelf. So I really like some of their stuff. They have really cool planners that I really like. Project planners, like 13-week one. That it was awesome that I have here on my desk that I absolutely love. Give me 1 second, pull this off. So I like this company a lot. I do have an affiliate link. This is not sponsored, but of course if you do purchase with that link, I will get how affiliate links, I will get something for that. So I really like this planner to Project One because it works in multiple ways. This is for, they have hourly, they have being grateful in the morning, grateful in the evening, what are your target, what's your goal, what's your wins. They have weekly stuff so that you look through the weekly stuff, and it has a habit tracker. Talks about your a summary of your day and weeks. I absolutely love this. So this is good for projects you're doing for 13 weeks. It is not labeled by dates, so you can enter it all in yourself. Really, really, really like this a whole lot. I love this company. I love their planner. So I really want to talk about it. Can't wait to put up the dates, have this on there. It's awesome. So I really just wanted to do that because I really like different planners, physical. I love this company. BestSelf is what it's called. And of course, it'll be in the description. So thank you so much for tuning in, and comment if you've used it or you like it, or even what kind of planner do you use. Do you use a physical planner? I have one on my desk. Or do you use purely digital or purely physical? I like both. If you like both, comment both. If you like purely digital, do that. I like digital because then I always have that with me. It's easier. I'm not carrying it. I can have reminders and alarms. I love reminders and alarms. Big into those to keep me focusing on task, weekly, daily. It might bother those around me because sometimes I have a bunch of them going off in the morning, and then I have to change the times if I get used to it. But it's helpful. I even have alarms that go off in the mornings that are like my new goals, and I usually have them in question form as a way to open up the mind, because questions, if you open it as an open-ended question versus yes or no, gets the mind thinking and looking for the answer. So big a fan of that. I am Amber Webb, your home business lifestyle coach, helping those who work from home work for themselves be more productive in day by creating accountability with their goals. Thank you so much.